Hey everybody, it's Henry at Mowers and Mowers. Today, I'm going to be removing this rotted, rusted deck from this lawn tractor and replacing it with a rebuilt one, which I'm going to rebuild today. This deck over here is in much better condition. It has a little surface rust, which I'm just going to repaint. Also, it needs a new spindle and pulley and blade. Now, this spindle, blade, and pulley is seized, rusted shut. You can't even move it. So I'm gonna have to try to unseize it. What I mean by seized is, this is the part that's supposed to move upwards and downwards to loosen and tighten the tension of the mower deck belt. And it's seized in this spot. It has to be able to go up and down like this. Also, on the bottom, the blades don't move. Because these blades are seized, I'm going to have to try to loosen them up. The bearing is right here near the spindle shaft. Today I'm using some Deep Creep penetrating oil and lubricant from Seafoam. Ooh, look at that bubbly actions going on here. On the bottom too. Because it foams, it stays in place instead of drips down. I'm going to be generous, coating this entire area with some penetrating oil. As you can see, this assembly right here has two pulleys. They move freely, but this pivot point is right here. I'm just going to flood this area with this Deep Creep and see it perform its magic. It's been sitting for a while, soaking. Let's see with my hand whether or not I'm going to be able to move this. Ooh, how about that? Moves a little, not fully. Working it back and forth. Now this thing is loose, like butter. Now let's see if the penetrating oil loosened up the blades. Wow! Holy cow! How about that? That's unbelievable! That stuff really works! Incredible. It's just a jolt. I just want to clean up the sides a little bit, make it look nicer. So there we go. Our newly rebuilt deck is now installed on the tractor that I wanted to fix. Now this tractor can sell for much better money because the deck is in good shape. And I hope you guys enjoyed my small little project here of getting yet another tractor ready for sale for the spring. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's episode. We'll see you guys next time on Mower.